Welcome back to our channel ClassFly community. So today is the lecture 8 and here is the part 3 of dielectrics. Here we will be doing the liquid dielectrics. So basically liquid dielectrics, what is dielectrics? First of all we should know. So any insulating material, or we can say insulating material, are only called as what? Dielectric. So when a high vacuum can also be used as dielectric even though its relative dielectric constant is only unity. So a very high vacuum can be used as dielectrics though it has dielectric constant as unity. So moreover, when we talk about liquid dielectrics, it is basically of three different types. First is the mineral insulating oils, second is the synthetic insulating oils, and third is the miscellaneous insulating oils. Basically the function of insulating liquid is to provide electrical insulation and to dissipate heat. So for examples, transformer oil, cable oil, vegetable oil, silicon liquids. So this is the basic thing which you need to know for the dielectrics. Then let's move on to the next. So as there are three types of liquid dielectrics, we should know in detail about it. So first is the mineral insulating oils. These oils are obtained basically from crude petroleum by the process of distillation. This oils possesses high oxidation resistance and have thermal stability. So these oils are basically used in transformers and capacitors. So I have made the lecture in a very notable format. So you can note all of the points and you can understand clearly what does it state. So basically this mineral insulating oil is obtained from a crude petroleum and it has a very high oxidation resistance and also it has a good thermal stability. So these oils are basically used in for transformers and capacitors. So examples are like transformer oil, cable oil and capacitor oil. Next, the second is the synthetic insulating oil. So these oil are very much resistant to oxidation and to fire hazards. Basically, they are used as coolant and insulators high voltage transformers. So you can clearly understand as it resisted to as it resistant to oxidation. So it is basically used as a coolant. Okay, so examples are acrylors, sovols, ascarols, and softol. The third is the miscellaneous insulating oil. The dielectric of this oil is same as that of the mineral oil. That means it has a very high oxidation resistance. These oils are basically used in high voltage transformers. So examples are Vaseline, vegetable oils, silicon oils. Next is the classification of the dielectrics, that means organic and inorganic. So the organic dielectrics are basically chemical compounds which contains carbon. Among the main natural insulating material of these types are petroleum products and mineral oil. Insulating materials are asphalt, vegetable oils, wax, natural resins, wood. Fourth point is that a large number of synthetic organic insulating material are also produced. These are nothing but substitutes of hydrocarbons in gaseous or liquid forms. In gaseous forms are fluorinated and chlorinated carbon compounds. The liquid forms are chlorinated diphenyls. Besides, some of them are non-chlorinated synthetic hydrocarbons. The chlorodyphenols, although possessing some special properties, are not widely used because they are unsafe for humans and very costly. So whenever you need to classify for the dielectric, so these are basically two types. One is organic and inorganic. So basically organic is used for basically how it is. It has all of them are chemical compounds containing carbon. Okay. So next is our points are polyisobutylene offers better dielectric and thermal properties than mineral oil for its application in power cables or capacitors, but it is many times more expensive. So as they are more expensive, that's why it is not being used much. The next is like these are the points which can be come as give reasons why polybutylene offers better dielectric than what, like that. The next point is silicon oils are top grade halogen free synthetic insulating liquids. So as they are very halogen free synthetic insulating liquids, they have a very excellent stable properties, but because of being costly, so far found limited application for special purposes in power apparatus. The next point is among inorganic liquid insulating materials, highly purified water, liquid nitrogen, oxygen, argon, sulfur, hexafluoride, helium, etc. have been investigated for possible use of as dielectrics. The last point is that the liquefied gases having high electric strain and are more frequently used in cryogenic application. So as the liquefied has a high electric strain, it is basically used for cryogenic application. Water and water mixtures are being actively investigated for use as dielectrics in pulse power capacitors and pulse power modulators and so on. They are basically used because of their high relative permeability, low cost and easy handling, as well as for disposal. Okay. So moreover, I hope all of the points are very much clear written, so you can easily understand the concept of this. So I am not explaining all of this in much detail. So basically you need to remember what is dielectric, what is liquid dielectric, which type of dielectric which has a unity as that, but it can be used as dielectric. Then you have to remember types of liquid dielectrics, their examples, what they basically mean, which is fire hazard and which is used as a coolant. You have to remember all these, and then you have to know the classification of dielectrics in that one, like organic, inorganic, and there are many more types like polybutylene. Why is it used for? Silicon, why it is not used much? Because of its costly, because as it is costly. Why liquefied gas is used as cryogenic applications only. So all this you need to remember. So I hope all of you understood the lecture of today. Thank you for watching. If you have any queries, please comment us down below. Till then, be happy and have a great day.
Wow, that's impressive! You have completed a magic today. For more videos, subscribe. Join our Facebook group and Instagram page for group discussion and live magazine videos for exam preparation in an hour. We start at ClassFly community for students to learn from a friend in a simple way and support them in their own languages. If you are willing to be that one friend who saves us at the exam night preparation, then please join us by visiting classfly.com.